Hello traders, the title of the video is Simple Technical Analysis Tips to Avoid Moving Average Crossover Mistakes. Alright, one of the powerful technical indicators is the moving average. A trader uses moving averages in many ways, but the most popular use is the moving averages crossover. Alright. In this tutorial, I want to reveal to traders a simple technical analysis tips, that will help traders to avoid moving averages, crossovers. Let's get started. So first thing first, as I've been telling traders before, the price structure or the market pattern will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. This is very, very important. Normally, I should charge you $1 million for saying that in the public place. Now, this to make you laugh a bit, all right? So, there are three market patterns, all right? And those three market patterns will determine, the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. If we are applying any trading system, any trading strategy, all right, but we do not align those trading methods with the market pattern, we can be going round and round and round without any success at all. The market pattern will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. So even before you start using a moving average crossover, you must check the current market pattern. You apply any trading system, you must check first the market pattern. You are applying any trading software, or you want to build a trading software, you want to create a trading algorithm, you must take into consideration the market pattern. What we have seen recently, there are many trading software out there, trading methods out there that are created without any in consideration to the market pattern. Those kind of trading methods can create a lot of losses for those who are using it and also create a distortion in the financial market. One more time, the market pattern will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. So now that we are talking about moving averages crossover, the moving averages are trending technical indicators. Therefore, the only time that we can use moving averages is when the price is trending either in a rising channel or in a declining channel. Now, very, very important. So the market pattern will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. You want to use moving averages, ask yourself, when is the best time to use moving averages crossover? But what we have noticed, a lot of people just are using moving averages. Without too much blah, 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 blah from my side, I want to show you here. You can see here, I'm on a monthly chart. Another thing, so we talk about the 6 biggest trading mistake. You go to www.dayprotrader.com, click on the 6 biggest trading mistake that traders are making without even feeling it, all right? So on this monthly chart, you can see that this stock, Walgreen, Boots Airlines Incorporation, Epic WBA, all right? It's an American stock that belongs to the consumer and defensive sector, pharmaceutical retailers. You see that American stock, all right, was consolidated here. You will be amazed that a lot of traders, either on the hourly time frame, daily chart, will be using moving average crossovers. One rule that you can apply is that if on a monthly chart, the market pattern is, or at least weekly chart, all right, is a consolidation, don't bother to apply, the moving average crossover. I hope this will help you to avoid, moving averages, a crossover mistake. So here, this is a worst time because if one is applying, a moving average crossover on any time frame, either monthly time frame like this, or any time frame below the monthly time frame, all right, lower time frame, one is not taking into consideration the market pattern that will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. So you may say, George, how do we use it in an uptrend? That's a very good question. So we say that either in a rising channel or in a decline. So what you need to do is to look first on a higher time frame, like I'm on a monthly chart, can be on daily chart. So if you want to use, for instance, moving average crossover on the hourly time frame, please make sure on a daily chart the price is at least on a rising channel. All right. You want to apply moving average crossover on a 15-minute time frame, make sure at least that on a 4-hour time frame, okay, the current market pattern is a rising channel or a declining channel. You want to apply moving average crossover on a 2-hour time frame, make sure at least on the weekly chart, okay, we have a rising channel or a declining channel. You want to apply moving average crossover on a daily chart, make sure at least on a monthly chart you have, okay, a rising channel. So I'm talking here about a top-down trading method, the correlation between different time frames, the setup time frame and the signal time frame. So you are using moving average crossovers, okay, you want to check the higher time frame, okay, make sure that the current market pattern is determining, okay, the strategy that you want to apply. In this case, you want to apply a moving average crossover, but if you ignore the current market pattern, you can see a lot of whip sold. Right? So how do you apply on an uptrend? So here we are. So again, it's all about timing. Right? So the most important thing for us, the financial market, is the timing. Okay, you want to buy at the right time. If you buy at the wrong time, it's no good. You want to buy, so I'm doing something other way around now. So I'm connecting the top first, and then I'm selecting 1 point low. Okay, so connecting the top first before. So normally we connect a low and a higher low, but practically in this case, I want to do it like this. Okay, so this is a rising channel. Okay, this is a rising channel. So those are the mistakes that I'm making, and they are not even aware of it, which is not good at all. So in an uptrend like this, all right, price is rising, all right, right, it's rising. So what you will wait for in a rising channel, a pullback to a support level. Here it is. Then you, now because I'm on a monthly chart, pull back like this, I can go to the daily chart, wait for moving average crossover, and again I will apply a top-down trading method. Moving average crossover on the daily chart will be my trading setup. Then I apply a top-down trading method to trade it, and the price will go up nicely. All right. So wait for the pullback in a rising channel, or at least a price breaking above the prior high, a resistance level, retest, break above, retest, then okay, go to the corresponding signal time frame for the moving average crossover and implement always a top-down trading. You are using that case the moving averages crossover as a training setup, and you don't want to miss the next step, the next step, which is the application of the top-down trading method or the trading drill. So now, like this, as you can see here, in the blue channel, all right, the price consolidated on the monthly chart. Let's drop it down to the daily chart. You can see here, can you apply, okay, moving average crossovers in this case. But you'll be amazed, traders are doing exactly that. You want to apply moving average crossover on the hourly time frame, at least on the daily chart, you want to see a beautiful, gorgeous, okay, rising channel, all right, either rising channel or declining channel. One more time, the market pattern will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. You want to use moving averages crossover, check the current market pattern before you start doing all sort of things in the financial market. I hope this helps, all right? If you find this video, okay, useful, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. You think that this is not, okay, something you do care about, all right, give us the thumbs down. If you think that this is an essential tutorial for other traders that are using moving average crossover, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about simple technical analysis tips to avoid moving averages, crossover mistakes. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.